Last night was a historic moment for Wheeler Plays. It was the premiere of Kindness, the legacy of the Holocaust. I think you know about it because it's been released for a while now by Salamander Street. The premiere was something I'd really been looking forward to for so long. And it went beyond any expectations I could possibly have had. There's the programme. It was just incredible. I described it as an exemplar piece of verbatim theatre. And if only schools could see how beautifully it was performed. There's Cate, my collaborator on the play, and the director, and her tenacity and her passion has managed to get this on, and on in the most fantastic way. The four actors there, I'll just highlight Jeff, because Jeff's been in I Love You Mum as well with Wizard and Stopwatch Theatre Company. They were such an accomplished group of actors. The premiere was at the Harrow Arts Centre, a big theatre. That was another surprise to me. I was expecting a small theatre, but I would say 500 people plus were there last night. That's a rehearsal shot of the play. The set as you walked in was just magical, and I'll put these in colour up on my Facebook and so on when I write a review. I've written a review which it thoroughly deserves, and afterwards, I mean, it was one of those evenings we were in the company of Susan Pollock, whose story they told. If you imagine, this is just, the play is basically the testimony of Susan. And we managed to make it into a play that sounds like a group of people are telling a story, using her words. I'm so thrilled by how it worked out. I had no vision as to how it would be. And my kind of crowning glory is that at the end I got this lovely little message from Susan signing my own copy of this. This is a treasure of a play. It's a treasure of a production. And I'm looking forward to releasing my views on it. The movement that was in it, you imagine a verbatim, there were some of the verbatim plays that I've seen professionally performed, not mine, are static. This is anything but static, and it's a beautiful cultural celebration of someone overcoming, witnessing the most horrific experiences anybody could ever possibly hope, and come out the other end being just the most magnificent, inspirational person. So thanks, Cate, thanks Voices of the Holocaust, and thanks Susan for giving us your story and allowing us to continue telling your story now you've gone into retirement after 30 years of going into schools and speaking about it. It's great. What a special edition of my Wheeler Plays story this is.